Hello, Platers. Every driver must have good behavior when driving so that we might lessen accidents on the road. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here is the list of 4 unspoken manners every good driver must possess. Number 1. Be attentive to people outside your car. As a Filipino, be a good citizen and remember that you're not the owner of the road, so be kind to others outside your car in order to make a better driving environment. By positive actions such as not stopping at the pedestrian lane and giving signals when changing lanes, we believe that you'll get a good impression of others on the road. On the contrary, some bad behaviors like excessive honking or overspeeding can trigger aggressiveness in others and lead to road rage and even potential disasters. So, if you're in bad a temper, try to take a deep breath and talk politely in a calm manner to avoid unnecessary arguments. Number 2. Don't be reckless. Speed limits are essential for able to have safe driving and as a result, are imposed for all vehicles to reduce incidents resulting from overspeeding. Don't forget that you're not the only person to suffer from the consequences of an accident. Your passengers and other commuters on the road are also likely to be innocent victims of your recklessness. Hence, think of others and stop being selfish. Number 3. Say thank you or wave when another vehicle gives way. This is basic etiquette that we have been taught from an early age. Thanking or using facial gestures to show attitude is a normal way to respond when other drivers help and show their kindness to you. So, don't hesitate to do that whenever you can. Number 4. Park properly. Parking properly is the first thing you need to remember to become a good driver in the parking lot. You wouldn't want to go viral on social media due to your improperly parked vehicle, right? Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.